Hey everyone, so in today's video we're going to be doing an art supply haul. So because I got a few things recently, I thought I'd share them with you all. And let's get into it. So the first thing I want to show you all is this wooden palette. I was looking at my palettes one day after I created a painting. They look really nice and I thought maybe someone would like to kind of put it on the wall or something, or just have it as a decoration. Oh, it's so nice. I thought I'd sell them on my online store, which is coming this year, and I'm going to be selling prints of my original artwork and just all sorts of goodies. I'm really excited, like I can't wait. Regarding my online store, I will do an update video when it's finally open, but it's definitely going to be this year. I've been really wanting to make this happen for such a long time. This year it's finally gonna, come to fruition. So that's really good. So here is a close-up of the lovely palette. Oops. So you hold it like that. It's really nice. So yeah, eventually these are going to be really nice and have lots of paint splotches all over, and they're going to be in my shop. Okay then, moving along to the next thing. The next things I want to show you all is some paintbrushes that I got. I've got an Art Master Pearl Series 11, I think it's called. I actually used these in my last video, which was the satisfying art video. When I was painting the lips, I used a brush in here. The brush I used was number 6. So yeah, this was really good for kind of accurate brush sweeping. It's very nice. It's nice that I've used it actually, and I can tell you that it's good. So yeah, I can safely say that these are nice brushes. I think they're a bit pricey, and normally I like to kind of keep my brushes at a lower price because, I don't know, I've used some really cheap brushes and they've been excellent, so I don't really like spending too much money on art supplies. So the next thing that I got is some more brushes, and these are Pro Art Miniature Series. I bought these with the other brushes just so, because I'm wanting to do more acrylics and maybe more portraits, and sometimes I need a really fine brush to do eyelashes and like really fine details, hairs, and I don't know, stuff like that. So miniature series brushes are really good. I've had some previously from Amazon and they were really good, but the ends of them frayed, so I'm hoping these will last a little longer than the ones from Amazon did, but we'll see. Fingers crossed. They were quite expensive, so I hope that they're good. So here are my miniature brushes. Oh my gosh, they look really good. Hopefully they are good. So I'll be using these for eyelashes and really fine details. I also have some wooden boards to paint on. I don't know, I just think it'll look really nice. I can't wait to use my new brushes and create a nice painting. I can't remember how much it was, but there was a set of 3, which is really good. And I like the size of them as well. It doesn't actually tell me, but I like the size of it, and it's well made. Like, it just feels nice to hold and it's good. I also got, on the same kind of theme, this Global Art Supplies Limited canvas, which is a lot heavier and maybe more durable than the other one, but the grain on it isn't as nice. And this actually arrived damaged, so I'm going to have to send it back. It's got like a bit of a scratch in it, which I'm not really feeling. I mean, I could probably make them myself, to be honest. It wouldn't be hard to make at all. Like, I've actually made stretches for canvases before by using all the scary equipment. Nail guns and saws and all that stuff. I've done that before and it's been fine. So I could probably do this myself, to be honest, It's just more convenient to kind of buy one, I guess. Another thing that I got recently is my calligraphy pens. So I've got a load of nibs for calligraphy pens and handles. There's 2 in the set. I really love writing. Like, I've got really nice handwriting. Like, I'm dead proud of my handwriting. It's really neat and lovely. So I kind of wanted to try my hand at calligraphy. Oh my gosh, that was so cheesy. Try my hand at calligraphy. So yeah, you kind of get various different nibs inside this wonderful set. To be honest, I did use it to test it out and it's very good. Oh, I really want to get good at calligraphy. I think it'd be like really nice to just be able to write in that kind of style. I've got such an old soul. Like, I love a kind of, I don't know, I just love old ways of doing things. I even want a typewriter just to kind of have that, I don't know, feeling of not so perfect, just like the old rigid way of doing things. Here is my calligraphy set that I got. It's by Manuscript and there's various nibs. I really want to use this one, it looks really interesting. I wonder how that one will be. You get 2 handles in the set, one for the larger nibs and a smaller one for the smaller one, like that one. It's quite small. And you can use this little magnet to get them out. Yeah, there we go. So that helps you kind of get them out so it's not as tricky. And there we go. Very nice. I'm excited about using them. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, guys, and also don't forget to subscribe because I'm so near 100k subscribers. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell because I would love to see you again. The last thing I want to show you all is this very silly hat I got, and it's a beret. I should go to a field and do a painting in my new beret. Premium. Right guys, I think that's it for now. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do thumbs up of course, and leave me a comment below. Let me know if you like the idea of the palettes or what your favourite item was in this haul. And yeah, it's just been really nice. So yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you all soon. Bye!